And we're getting ready for LTX here. What time?
Yeah.
What are we doing here? We're gonna press?
We are replacing some,
He's thinking.
We'll see.
He's thinking.
We're replacing some of the tops that we have.
Okay.
So we're gonna pop this one on. You have to be a little bit, you have to give her to get these on properly. If you don't hit them well, they get super mushy and you have to hit them again and again.
Well, we don't want to do that.
It's fun.
All right, so you show me the technique, and then let me do it.
We have a nice little base jig.
All right. Yeah.
A nice top piece.
These look like they're printed.
They are. Line it up and pow! Give it a whack.
That was like full send.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna.
And it ratchets fine.
I don't know that I can do that one-handed though.
I got it.
Okay. All right. We're gonna hand off filming responsibilities to Tynan here.
No pressure.
Right.
No pressure to me.
No pressure at all. Okay. You're ready. I did not do that for the record. That was not me.
Yeah, that was me. And I get to clean it up.
Okay. Are these ready to go?
Yes.
Okay. So if you can follow directions properly.
So we have a little arrow.
Yes. I see the arrow.
You want to take that off. Line the other one up. Okay. The same way.
Line up.
In the same spot. So right around there.
It's around there. What's the indicator?
So you want, yeah, around that's pretty good.
Okay.
And then do it and just, yeah, I'll show you. So I'm going like this, right?
Yeah.
So you get it roughly lined up, and we're lined up about the same. So hold this guy with your finger and just pull that shaft all the way out. You see how it kind of like semi-seats?
Just pull the shaft.
Pull it out, yeah.
Yep.
And then now that it's seated, you can pull the whole assembly out, kind of holding it.
Yep.
So now, as you continue pushing this collar, just give it a twist to make sure that it's like snapping in properly.
Yep.
I felt it snap.
That looks good.
Okay. All right.
So now you'll take
Okay. Now we just
an
gotta
assembly jig.
We just gotta send it home.
So go screwdriver shaft in until it's all the way down.
Okay.
Then
I see what you did there. Okay.
grab
All
your
right.
base piece.
Base piece.
Goes on the end there.
Yeah.
And then that whole thing sits on the press.
On the
Shaft
press.
goes down through the
Okay. Now this is
press
where
plate.
the,
This is where you give it.
this is where we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
So grab it up top.
Okay.
Give it a
Hold on now. Hold on. Lining up. Lining up. Okay.
Make sure you don't pinch your finger.
Definitely don't want to pinch my fingers. Okay. And it's boom.
Yup. All right, now you get to take it out and see if it is a little crunchy.
It felt good.
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay, hold on there. Okay.
So how does that feel compared to this one?
Oh, hold on. Okay. Okay, now
That's not too bad.
it's not too okay. So what, you give me like a B on that maybe? I don't know.
I cannot test this with one hand.
This is filming in the raw.
Okay, so it needs another hit.
It needs another hit.
It needs another hit.
I didn't send it hard enough.
They're moody.
You're a little temperamental, yeah.
It was my first one, to be fair. He's been doing them all day.
Yeah.
Most of the day.
Well, close enough to all day.
Close enough to all day. Okay. What did I do?
There's an art to it. It's fine.
Well, you can't do it one-handed. Okay. All right. Oh, it's teamwork. Teamwork.
It's better.
It's better. It's better. Okay. Somebody will be happy with that one now.
Oh,
All right.
yeah.
All right.
Absolutely.
Super
Great.
fun. Come check it out. What booth number is this?
The Build Your Own
You
Screwdriver.
can't miss it, guys. Come to LTX Build Your Own Screwdriver. So yeah.